based on the request made by me to the Honorable Railway Minister Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav and to the railway authorities, the special train from Charlapalli, Hyderabad to Trichy has been made a permanent express train service. In fact, it has been I've been anticipating for this announcement for quite a long time, and this particular new train, special train service, it has been made a permanent train service, express train service now. It is going to benefit thousands of commuters actually. It connects Telangana, Andhra, and Tamil Nadu. And you have a lot of students traveling between Andhra and Tamil Nadu, especially between Trichy and Velur. You have a lot of education institutions here in Tanjavur and Trichy, and you have education institutions in Velur also. And you have a lot of students who benefit from this train service. And second thing is pilgrimages, pilgrims. This train, now it connects Tirupati, Srirangam, and Tiruvannamalai. Very important, no? Holy places. And in fact, for commercial and business establishments also, this express train would serve as a no important connective train. And now since it's been made a permanent train service, express train service, you'll have additional rakes, additional coaches which can serve additional passengers, and in fact the fares will come down, because for a special train service the fares will be a little bit higher. And regarding the timings, the arrival and departures also will be regular, because for special trains the timings might change and most of the time they are late. But since it's been made an express, no, it's been announced as a permanent express train service, the departures and no arrivals would be on time. And with regard to coaches also, you'll have better coaches, because for special trains most probably you'll get sometimes old coaches. We'll get quality coaches because of this announcement. This particular announcement making this special train service from Charlapalli, Hyderabad to Trichy as a permanent express train service, it is a well needed one. And on behalf of the Trichy Parliament, constituency public, I would like to thank the Railway Minister Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav and the railway authorities for in fact obliging for this announcement. And in fact during the last 2 years, various initiatives have been undertaken by me, have been successful thanks to the thanks to the cooperation by the Railway Ministry. For example, we had Trichy Tambaram special train service that also was made a permanent train service after my request, and now that Tambaram Trichy special train stops at Thiruvarambur after my request, and the Cholan Superfast Express also now stops at Thiruvarambur railway station based on my request. And then you have Pudukkottai, Rameshwaram to Ayodhya, Rameshwaram to Banaras trains, expresses. Both these expresses now stop at Pudukkottai, which also comes under my constituency. And now you have the Vande Bharat maintenance service station, which is in fact constructed at a cost of nearly 300 crores, which is under construction now. So, and so many ROBs, railway overbridges, which are pending for the last 15 years. For some of them, the work has started, in fact. So, there's plenty of announcements have come in this last 2 years. I once again thank on behalf of my constituency public, the Railway Minister and the railway authorities.